Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today we've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I know pretty much exactly what's in here. There's a couple of knives that have been around for a while, and a couple, I think there's at least one newer one. We're going to open this up together. Thank you so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on some cool stickers and some other benefits, there is of course a link down in the description. This support would mean the world to me, and please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, so this package was sent to me, unless I mistakenly put one of the other packages that I have over here on my table, am I right? Which has happened once. I started a dialogue for a video. And realize that the package that I'm opening is not the one that I think I'm opening. I believe this package was sent to me by USA Made Blade. Let's take a look. Yeah. So, there's some cool stuff in here. Some stuff that is still available. Not necessarily, some of the things in here are not necessarily brand new knives. In fact, some of them are much older. But it's still important. There we go. Check out USAMadeBlade.com. I don't have a affiliate program with them. I just like to shop at USA Made Blade. I mean, there's no, my channel doesn't necessarily gain a benefit here other than just, you know, me being able to entertain you guys. I just legitimately like USA Made Blade. I shop with them. I've shopped with them before. So check them out for sure. Yeah, we've got three Benchmades in here. One is new, two are not. First one I want to take a look at, and I've handled this guy and this guy before because we have a local dealer. I've not handled this guy. Alrighty. Let's see here. Yes, the Grizzly Creek is what we're looking at right here. That's the 15060-2. This is in their hunt line. So I'll tell you guys right now, I'm not, like, wood scales don't necessarily do it for me. But as far as the profile of this guy, yeah, it seems pretty good. The backspacer here, look, what have we got going on here with this area right here? What is what's back here? Yeah, I was going to say, there's obviously something going on back there. It's got the little gut hook, oh my gosh. So my brain went seatbelt cutter, which I'm sure it'll work for, or gut hook, or if there are other purposes. I'm not somebody who does a lot of hunting and fishing, even though I live in Kansas. I know, blasphemy. We used to do that kind of stuff a lot more when I was younger. And I'm sure, you know, as my kids get older, we will do that stuff more often. But I haven't been a part of that life for a while. But yeah, that's what's going on there. Very smooth. It's got its own little detent. Click. That's kind of nice. And then there's no lock, but it'll work. So, blade seal on this guy is S30V. Benchmade loves their S30V. We've got a little bit of recurve going on. Right off the bat, yeah. Solid. No blade play. Up, down, left to right. How's the centering? It's on. That's great. I'm wondering if that is a steel backspacer or a titanium backspacer. Oh, we got that pocket clip. Benchmade. I mean, yeah, I mean, like, this is an ergonomic knife. Here's something that I like. They've got jimping way up here. So you can do, I mean, your sort of precision work, I guess, if you're processing some wood or what have you. Yeah, that's kind of neat. Now, what's in here is a classic. This is an old favorite of mine. One that I consider to be, in fact, so I did this video, like, recently, like, my top 10 or 10 more underrated knives. And actually, it was partially inspired by Scott Whittington's post on Instagram. He was like, the 20CV Barrage is a super underrated knife. And I was like, you know what? That is an underrated knife. That's a ridiculously underrated knife. And this was like one of my first experiences with M390. This is a cool knife. And here's the thing. It's assisted. But these knives can be de-assisted, and they are very smooth. I had multiple people in my comments section confirm that after I asked that question on on that video, the 10 underrated knives. Check it out. He's got his USA Made Blade flare on here. That's pretty cool. So Scott Whittington does custom laser work, and he does an excellent. I have handled so many examples of knives that have been laser etched with custom stuff from USA Made Blade, and stuff that's been totally like one of the first knives on my channel, one of the first videos on my channel was of a ZT0562 that had been customized by USA Made Blade. This factory authorized customization. It's really good. It doesn't look like somebody, you know, took it apart in their garage and slapped it around and threw it across a concrete surface, and then it ended up with some, you know, some bronze anodes. No, it's professionally done. It's if you want to get something that's unique and special, and you know you want it, you want a model that, you know, appeals to you. USA Made Blade does a lot of this cool stuff, and I think that's neat. Added the thing to his. So you guys know I'm a big fan of Hinderer knives, and I like how Hinderer puts his logo on the pocket clip and some other places. If it's subtle and it's not like, then it's kind of cool, and I like this. This is neat. I appreciate that. I'm really happy to finally, like, this model has been around for so long, and I've looked at the Barrage on my channel, but not the 20C. I've never talked about the. Sorry. Wow. Caffeine is kicking in this morning. I've never talked about the 20CV Barrage, and I want to, because I think it's one of Benchmade's better knives for sure. Now, this is the one that I have not handled. This is the 417 Fact. And if I remember correctly, it is a fact that this is long and skinny. Oh my God, I just Nick Shabazz that. Oh man, I gotta leave the puns to Nick. I am not the pun guy. All right, so long skinny blades are also not really my thing, but I gotta admit there is some cool factor here, and boy, that is smooth. Ready? Ooh, man, that is really, really smooth. Dang. Okay, well, I definitely like the smoothness there. I also like the fact that you can easily do the reverse flick. I think the length of the blade is what is contributing to the ease of, or at least once you get the blade going, that momentum carries that long blade out. That's pretty cool. That's a nice looking blade there. Absolutely. S30V, we've got aluminum out here. Look at that pocket clip. Ooh, very nice. Unique pocket clip, or something at least completely different than what I have expect from Benchmade. Steel liners underneath and some nice texturing there. That's pretty cool. Yeah, the carry profile on this guy is going to be something that people are going to like. It's a little bit thicker than I thought it was going to be, but I don't think that's that big of a deal. This is neat. Very cool. All right, well, it's nice to experience some. This is kind of dark. Should we brighten that up a bit? Oh, that's a little bit too bright. In any case, we've actually reached the end of the unboxing today, guys. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex and check out USA Made Blade, their website, and check them out on Instagram. Here is their, does it say? Yeah, here we go. USAMadeBlade.com, and look for the Sasquatch logo. All right. Anyways, guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.